I briefly touched on calibration with creating a full live room, but let me go into a bit more detail about our full body capture method and what you can and cannot do. I'll also give you some general advice and helpful tips to ensure you have a great, successful capture experience. If you want to know about our other capture method, upper body and fingers, I have another video explaining in detail, much like how I am here. If you aren't aware of who I am Peter from RADiCAL, and I'm your community manager. Let's get into it. To start with, you need a live room. We've already got a video explaining on how to create a live room, which you can watch here. Once you've created a live room, from the room lobby, press enter room as a player. Start by selecting full body in the capture modes, and any adjustments you want to characters and motion settings. Full body calibration requires the most amount of work to get right, but it does allow full freedom in motion as you have access to your face, body, arms, and legs. For full body capture, you'll want to be able to fit within the preview frame comfortably as it represents the capture space. Anything within that frame is captured and anything outside it is not. You should be able to extend your arms outwards to form a T-pose without any of you leaving the frame. Depending on what you need, it would also benefit if you can raise your hand above your head for capture as well. Also, give yourself space in front of you and behind you so you can walk forwards and backwards without leaving the frame. You should remain within the capture space at all times. Once you've set up and comfortable, you can begin the process of entering the live room. Full body calibration is simple. You stand in your space and you form a T-pose. The 4 circles on the knees and arms tell you if the respective limb is in the correct position. When it is, it'll go green and form a tick. Once you have 4 green ticks, you'll be able to enter the room and perform motion capture where your motions are then displayed on a digital mannequin. For more information on this topic, please see our resources page linked below. If you're interested in our other capture method, upper body and fingers, I've also got a link to that in the description below. Full body motion capture is available for all within RADiCAL.